In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install mods here on your Tadpole in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is obviously have yourself the Tadpole. I feel like that's common sense, but get yourself the Tadpole. And once you have the Tadpole, what you need to do is craft the mod. For example, open up that modification station, go to the Tadpole upgrades, and you could get yourself the depth modules, for example, right? Go ahead and craft whatever mod it is, and once it's crafted, it's going to appear in your inventory. You can actually check this. As you can see, it's right here. Now, what you need to do is make your way essentially to the top of the Tadpole itself, and once you're on top, you're going to see a section that says Open Upgrades. Select that, and then select the upgrade that you want to go ahead and equip. It'll activate right away. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.